In this Okuma OSP-P300LA, we're gonna see how to create a system data backup. We have inserted the USB on the USB 0 port, and we have to press stop and go through this menu, and in the gear icon, and you have system data backup. You're gonna use the USB 0, and it's gonna create this folder. And here it says that you have to press stop, and you must not operate the machine, and hit start. It's pretty fast. Let's open the Explorer, and we're gonna check the folder. And there you go. All these files are the files that has been created for the backup. Okay, thank you.